Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the quality choice model in economics. This model explains how product quality combined with asymmetric information can determine whether a market survives or collapses. To make this easier to understand, we will look at an example from the umbrella market. The quality choice model deals with asymmetric information, a situation where sellers know more about the quality of the goods than buyers do. Because buyers cannot perfectly identify product quality before purchasing, they set their willingness to pay based on the average quality available in the market. If too many low quality products enter, the average valuation decreases. As a result, high quality producers may no longer find it profitable to remain, and the entire market risks breaking down. Let us take the example of umbrellas. There are two types of umbrellas: a high quality umbrella valued by consumer at $14, a low quality umbrella valued at $8. The production cost of both is $11.50. Now, in a competitive market, the price consumers are willing to pay equals the average quality in the market. This average willingness to pay can be expressed as P of Q equals to 14Q plus 8 into 1 minus Q, where Q is the fraction of high quality umbrellas in the market, 14Q the part of the consumer valuation that comes from high quality goods, and 8 into 1 minus Q the part of the consumer valuation that comes from low quality goods. So we can say P of Q is simply the weighted average of both values. Now we can see there are three types of market scenarios. Case 1, only low quality umbrellas. Consumer pay $8, cost is 11.50. Since cost greater than value, no production will be occur. And case 2, only high quality umbrellas. Consumers pay $14, cost is 11.50. Production is profitable, so high quality umbrella remains. Case 3, mixed market. Consumers pay according to the average quality. For the market to continue, the average willingness to pay must be at least equal to the cost of production at 11.50. These conditions determines whether the market can survive. For equilibrium, Q must be greater than 7 by 12 or approximately 0.58. This means that at least 58% of umbrellas must be high quality for the market to survive. This shows that survival of the market depends on maintaining a majority of high quality goods. If their proportion falls below 58%, consumers will not be willing to pay enough. Producers lose incentives and the market collapses. This basically trust in quality sustains the market. Here is a graphical representation. In a graph, a horizontal line at 11.50 represents the cost of production. The sloping line P of Q shows the average willingness to pay. Equilibrium exists only where Q greater than equal 7 by 12. Below this level, the willingness to pay is too low to support production. Now consider producer choice. High quality cost is 11.50, low quality cost $11. Because low quality is slightly cheaper, producers may prefer it. But if all producers switch to low quality, consumers will only pay $8, which is below cost. As a result, no trade occurs and market fails. This is a classic example of market failure caused by asymmetric information. The logic of this model applies to many markets like used markets, good cars versus lemons, job market, skilled versus unskilled workers, online platforms, authentic sellers versus fraud sellers. In all cases, when low quality dominates, high quality exists and markets suffer. Economics suggests several ways to prevent collapse. Signaling. Sellers prove quality through warranties, certifications, or branding. Also suggest screening. Buyers demand quality checks before purchasing. And regulation. Governments impose minimum quality standards. So, in conclusion, the quality choice model basically demonstrates that without trust and transparency, markets can fail. Maintaining product quality is essential for consumer confidence and market stability. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you clearly understand the quality choice model through the umbrella market example. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more economics lesson. See you in the next video.